I'm going to show you how you can easily sign up for Doordash with Chase Sapphire Preferred. First, open the Doordash app or visit doordash.com. Then, log into your existing account or create a new one. Next, navigate to your account settings by tapping the menu icon. Select Payment and add your Chase Sapphire Preferred card as the default payment method. Then, return to the main menu and tap on Dash Pass to view membership options. Look for the Chase offer and tap Activate to enroll in the complimentary Dash Pass membership. Now, confirm activation, and your Dash Pass benefits will be applied to your account. Use your Chase Sapphire Preferred card for eligible orders to enjoy Dash Pass perks. Then, monitor your membership status in the app to keep track of benefits and expiration.